Hello mga kapislat! Kamusta kayo? Dito na naman si Inday Pislat ngayong araw. Hapon na pala, hapon. Kamusta kayong lahat? Paano naman dyan? Baka naman po. At kung bago kayo, bago rin ako, huwag niyong kalimutan. Kung gusto niyo yung mga video na ginagawa ko, please like and pahit button para updated kayo sa mga bagong video na ipopost ko. And thank you!
Ganito kung sino pang pinili kong hindi makuha ng buo hanggang gano'n na lang nga. Kailangan ko tong tanggapin. Nasa puso mo meron na nga. Na mayroon ang nagmamayari sa pag-ibig sa iyo. Ako itong naman.
Mukhang sira ulo'y ang bago mo. Mukhang hindi pa siya naliligo.
Naman ako guys, mga kapislat, nawawala na naman si Inday. Kahayag sa Siyaw. Konnichiwa.
No more hope is left in me. I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart like you do. And there's no more fears left in me. I can see you light my way, and you're always near. There's nowhere I could be. All I need is you. Feels like I can make it more than I deserve. You gave all to me so I can come closer to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love